Hey guys, Zara here. Hope all is well. Watching the three sisters here, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. NASDAQ coming up to VWAP from below, usually as a testing area. Same thing happening on the ES, and then breaking on the Dow. Moving over to the Dow very quickly here. Dow right here, boom, and looking to short this thing in here, guys. Right. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Ah, darn. Wait, if it pulls back to that line, then I'm in. 139, give me one moment here, guys. Just gonna move to my own platform very quickly. If it pulls back to 139, I will take this entry. Sell bracket at 139. Here we go, guys, watching closely. Watching for this thing to pull back. Now patience, looking for 30 points. And in, guys. In. I'm short the Dow. Looking for 30 points here. I'll explain the trade in a moment. It's probably fairly self-explanatory. Continuation move. Trend continuation, guys. Impulse down, corrective back to VWAP, failing at BVWAP, and dropping down. Let's take a look at the 2-minute chart. It might be helpful. Yeah, there we go. How about the 1 minute? 1 minute's a little messier. Let's stick with the 2. Sometimes I'll cycle through those lower time frames just to find the one that makes the most sense to my brain, and I will stick with that one. Here we go. Patience. Patience. Very messy in here. Oh, NASDAQ rallying hard. That's not going to help my trade at all. Let me show it to you. See that there? I was anticipating that it, a rounding over and selling off still might happen. And the S&P, same thing. It's already at 1 tap, 2 tap, and then the 3rd tap pulling down. It was only 2 at the time of my sale, of course. And then my short here failing the VWAP, shorting the weakest of the 3. Weakest of the 3 being the Dow. Although the future session, they're all performing exactly the same. 23 basis points, 22, and 19 basis points. Essentially identical for the entire future session, which began at 6 p.m. last night and is now 10:15 a.m. the next day. So that's interesting. Targeting 109. Targeting 109. Bear with me. Just making sure my brackets are the same on my own platform. And they are now. Very sloppy price action at this point, guys. Took a loss yesterday in the mess. And I may be looking at another one here. Fortunately, I already got some wins in the bag this morning. A gold trade that you don't see on YouTube. It was at 5:01 a.m. this morning, and it was very quick. It was 11 pips on gold. It was a sell, and then another 20-point win on the Dow in the pre-New York. And that video is the one beside this one. You can see that here. And now this short on the Dow as well. But again, the NASDAQ is not cooperating. Let me show it to you. See that rallying? Very strong rally here. But likely getting a little tired at this point. Sort of counting on that. S&P not cooperating either. But the Dow still behaving weaker than the others, and that's helping a little bit for now. It's protecting. How about that? But I like to see synchronicity in these three sisters, and I possibly jumped the gun a little bit on this trade, but I just felt like these were going to round over, and it may still happen. But I need to be honest with myself and ask myself the right questions around these trades. I typically have a high win rate in these types of trades, and I need to always check myself and make sure I'm not trading out of a desire for action, which if I have any temptations, kind of carnal temptations, if you will, it's that. I do like being in trades, yet I'm also I've become very good at choosing optimal setups only, and that's the way I've been trading lately, and it's been paying off quite nicely. In terms of win rate, all right guys, stop to break even, stop to break even, stop to break even right there, and this could easily take me out of break even, and I will take that hit if necessary. Looking for 30 points on this. One more push. So my stop is at break even. I just want to pull this up so it can be shown, it can be seen on my trade review. Copy and paste. Make sure that's on. There you go. Now it can be seen. Patience. Second trade of the day, guys. I'm not including the gold one. I took at 501 and done. Just like that. 30 points. Thanks for being with me. Have an amazing day, guys. Thank you for clicking the like button. Thank you for saying hi in the comments. Love to meet you digitally if I can. Talk soon. Take care now.